Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. White sage has benefits of cleansing and purifying our environment. And smudging is one of the popular way being used with white sage. So you burn it and use the smoke to clean the environment. For some place you don't want to smoke or you don't want to fire, the white sage hydrosol can be a good alternate. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a high quality white sage hydrosol and its essential oil by steam distillation, and also explaining the benefits of white sage oil and hydrosol based on its scientific research. White sage is a perennial plant. It's like a bush, can grow up to 3 to 9 feet high. And because the leaf has a white color, and it's called the name of the white sage. White sage has its Latin name Salvia apiana. It means a bee sage because it need heavily rely on the pollinator like bees to help them to grow. White sage is one of the 3 popular sage varieties. The others include common sage, its Latin name Salvia officinalis, and clary sage, its Latin name Salvia scalaria. Even these 3 different sage, they belong to the same family, but their phytochemicals can be quite different. White sage has a very high concentration of eucalyptus or 1-acetone. In its essential oil, it takes up to over 70%. Also contains kaffir. This brings white sage strong antimicrobial, antibacterial performance. We talked about the eucalyptus before during the eucalyptus distillation. You can watch that video to see how the eucalyptus being used in the mouth hygiene products. Common sage also contains eucalyptus and kaffir, but compared with common sage, the white sage has way less the neurotoxins called surgeon. And because containing the surgeon within the common sage, is not recommended to use a lot of this every day. And one researcher recommends to use over 15 grams of common sage leaf daily. And clary sage has a much different composition with the other 2 sage. It doesn't contain much the eucalyptus or kaffir. It contains more linalool and linoleic acetate, which are similar with the lavender. Because the white sage contains so much of the eucalyptus, it gives it a strong antimicrobial properties, and that's why we use it to help clean the environment, also help improve our health well-being. Now I'm going to show you how to make the white sage essential oil and hydrosol by doing the steam distillation. And in this video, I'm using the LeTime LT3000 distiller, and this is a 1 liter column. I filled it up with the dry leaf of the white sage and also crack the stems and also fill in the column because all those can be distilled. I'm using the dry leaf because the dry leaf has less moisture, so it gives a more concentrated phytochemical. And today I'm using the circulation cooling. Before I turn on the heat, I turn on the circulation to make sure the flow is all good. There's no problems with it. So just leave it on and then turn on the heat to start boiling the water. And after the water is boiled, the steam will go through the dry white sage and carry those volatile compounds like 1-acetone, the eucalyptus, kaffir. So I'm condensed through the condenser and back into the liquid. While collecting the distillate, that is a product of the distillation, and I'm using the oil hydrosol receiver separator. And with time, you can see there are golden yellow, the oil floating on top of the cloudy hydrosol. So that's the authentic white sage oil, which has the golden yellow color, and the high quality hydrosol has a milky color or cloudy color because it has a dispersed oil within the water, and and within this hydrosol it got a saturated eucalypto, kaffir, and all other chemicals within the herb. Finally, let's talk about the uses of white sage hydrosol and essential oil. Because it contains a very high concentration of eucalypto, this make it work good as a mouthwash to help prevent gum bleeding and the sore throat. However, when we are using especially its essential oil, stay away from the kids less than 10 years old because they are so strong, they may cause them allergy. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.